How do you convert a CSV file into a clean Excel file ready for cleaning? Stay tuned. Jambo everyone, and a very warm welcome to this continuing series of education now. My name is Moya Kihuba of Institute of Finance. In today's video, we'll look at how to extract data from text. The data that you obtain from different sources may not be in a form ready for processing. Often, though not always, third-party data contains a vast amount of unstructured data which needs to be cleaned. For instance, if you checked on the file that I have on my right, the values that I have on my right, all of them are actually stored in one column, column A. How do we convert whatever we have in column A, this CSV file that we have on the left-hand side of your screen, to a clean Excel sheet ready for processing that we have on the right of our screen? Stay tuned. Let's first do away with this so that we can clean it up. Now, when you want to convert a column of text to a column of numbers, there are two ways of doing it. Depending on the data that you have, you can split a single column of text into two or more columns based either on fixed width or delimiter. Let's have a look. The first step that you need to do is to select the cell that your information is in. And I'll do this by pressing Control Space, and I've selected everything. Then I'll move to Data, and when I'm in Data, I shall select Text to Columns. Like I said, there are two methods, the fixed width and the delimiter. Now, in fixed width, you split columns based on fixed width when you tell Excel to put the first X number of spaces in one column and the next X number of spaces in the next column, and so forth, until you have told Excel how many new columns you need to make out of the original column. Fixed width method is really not suitable when you've got panel data. The delimiter method is the most suitable one. And when you split your information based on the delimiter method, the one that I've selected, you designate a character that Excel recognizes as separating what is in one column from what is in the next column. The most common delimiters are comma, space, semicolon, etc. Once you've chosen on the method that you want to use, we click on Next. Then we choose the delimiter. In my case, this is space, so I have to highlight on space. You can choose to leave the tab bar open. Then click on Next. It will ask you where you want to take this information. I may put where it was previously. Let me put it in G. And then click Finish. And we've got our clean data, which is ready for processing. That will be our output. Thank you, everyone. Kindly consider subscribing, leave a comment, like, and share. Do have yourself an absolutely fantastic day. I shall see you all next time. Bye-bye.